Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. I was having a conversation with a friend of mine, Alexander, and he was reading a book that this is such a great example of niching and establishing relevance and the effect this can have on the perceived price of what you do, on the value that people perceive in it, the relevance, all of that. So, first of all, when we're marketing, three things need to be established when we're kind of filtering. The first thing is relevance, then credibility, and value. And the more we establish the relevance, it's like a pyramid. This is the foundation of the pyramid. It sets up the other two. If you niche very narrowly and you have something that's so relevant to a particular group, they will automatically trust you more. There's more credibility, that second stage of that pyramid. They trust you more because this is for people just like me. This person is specializing this way. They must have something to say. Then when it gets to the offer and the value, it does so much to magnify the value. And so let me give you some examples. This was the example he gave me. And when he said it, I said, oh my God, it makes it so clear. Let's say I want to teach a course on sales, how to talk to people about what you do. So maybe we charge $200 for that course, and it's a weekend course or a day-long course. But then let's say I specialize a bit more and I say, no. This is a sales course for door-to-door salesmen. It's the particular skill of how do you actually walk up to a home you've never been to, get yourself inside to sell something. This is now maybe a $600 course. It's the same content. Then what if I said, no, this is a day-long workshop on door-to-door sales for people who sell vacuums. So now this is all the tricks and tactics and the best vacuum salespeople in the world have used. It's so relevant. So that foundation is so clear and specific that they will trust you more and you can charge more because it's going to be more useful, more practical for them. They're not going to have to do the heavy work of translating it. This is so much of what people pay us for in the one-on-one work is, I get the theory, cool story, bro, but how do I translate this into my work, my life specifically? So if you can do that translating for them, you can take this big domain of sales and translate it to door-to-door sales for vacuum cleaners. People will pay you for that at a premium. Another one was, let's say I sell a supplement. Supplement is, it generally makes you healthier. Then maybe that's $20, but then maybe it's something that helps with pain. Well, maybe that's a bit more. Maybe that's $40. And then maybe it's something that helps eliminate migraines, and it could be more if it's really effective. There's a course on conscious communication. It's like a $200 day-long workshop or for a weekend. And then, but it's for Christians who are facing divorce. You see what I'm saying? The more we narrow it, the more the relevance builds. And people say, oh my God, that is exactly for me. And because it's so relevant, because it's so tightly niched, I trust them more. I'm willing to pay more. So hopefully those examples help. It was just, when he shared them with me, I thought, man, you could probably think of other examples yourself. And so I invite you to think about your own business, and where are you on that scale? Are you sort of, hey, this is for everybody? This is just conscious communication skills for everybody, yoga for everybody? Or is there a chance that you could do one or two levels or three levels of focusing that would make it work better? So there you go. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, share it with everybody you know. And if you want to see more like it, you can hit the red subscribe button and the little bell icon, and you'll be notified when future videos come out.